Ever feel like you're grinding for hours, but your brain just isn't keeping up? I've been there, pulling all-nighters, drinking way too much coffee, and still forgetting half the material the next day. But what if I told you some students are using AI to cut their study time in half, and you're not one of them yet? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, I'll show you 4 AI tools that are literally changing how the smartest students in 2026 learn. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. I know you've heard of it, but here's how smart students use it. They ask it to explain difficult concepts in simple terms, like explain Newton's third law like I'm 10. Boom, done in seconds. They also use it to brainstorm essays, generate summaries, and even quiz themselves. It's like having a genius study buddy who never sleeps. Tool 2, Notion AI. This one's a lifesaver. It organizes your notes, builds your to-do lists, and writes up summaries for lectures you slept through. One student told me this replaced 3 apps for them and boosted their productivity by 40%. Number 3, Grammarly AI. No more second-guessing your writing. It checks grammar, rewrites weak sentences, and makes your assignments sound like they were written by a top student at Harvard. You write it raw, Grammarly polishes it up. And fourth, Quizlet AI. They create smart flashcards and tests from your notes so you can use active recall like a pro. This is how students are memorizing faster without spending hours rereading. Bonus tip, stack these tools together. Use ChatGPT to learn, Notion AI to plan, Grammarly to polish, and Quizlet to memorize. That's a system, not just a study session. If this helped you imagine what's coming next, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping more tools, more hacks, and more mindset shifts to turn you into a success machine. You don't need to study harder, you need to study smarter.